Actually, guys, it's late in the evening, guys, in the Africa, but the sun is already there. It's shining like I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be raining today, guys. Actually, guys, welcome for today vlogs coming live from the village, guys. Have a fantastic look how the village is calm and no any sound or vibration. You know, when everything is good in the village, have a look, guys. Fantastic view of the village, guys. When the grass is green, there is no wind today, guys. Actually, it has been a while since I upload the video, guys. But I want to be updating you from the village, guys. Called the village Maneno, guys. Have a great view, guys. On the other hand, the sun, guys. The way the sun is shining, you wanna think like it is early in the morning, but it's not early in the morning. Actually, late in the evening, guys. Have a look, guys. You may think like it is at 3 a.m., 3 p.m., not p.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. At 9, we call them 9. But actually, it is 5 in the evening, guys. Have a great view. What's up, people? Come back to boy Emma254, guys. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, share, and leave us a comment, guys. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Very, very important, guys. Actually, I want to be showing something here in the village. It has been a while since I've been here, and today, actually, I want to be showing something. It's a big mess here in the village because our crops are no more here in the village. But we want to know what we're going to do next. Actually, guys, I was away, but I came and find everything is mess, guys. Guys, this was initially our crops, and there are no more, guys. Have a look how that big destroy, guys. There are only sticks. Have a look. This one, they've all remained sticks, guys. I don't know who vandalized because I think it's like they left some cows and come and chew them because I don't know. Because when you're not in the village, you're not around. The villagers take the responsibility to be the owners. When you're around, they pretend, guys. Have a look, guys. Like this one to the kale. It has been vandalized, guys. No more kales here, guys. Actually, guys, the introvert, I call them introvert. They usually sneak when there's no one around here, guys. They have a time that they see there's nobody around. They bring here their cattle, guys. Actually, guys, you may think that everything is normal in the village. When you are not careful, watching after, you may find everything has been vandalized. Actually, this is a lesson. You should take care of your property in the village, guys. Not left them. Actually, these are grass, napier grass. Have a look. These are the napier grass, and they're being cut to the animals, guys. After sometimes, they're being cut to the animal, guys. The animal usually fed on them. Actually, guys, these are a bathing place where people should come and take a shower in the village, guys. Have a look of the water. Also, the napier grass around. Their work is to hold the soil firmly, and when it rains, to prevent the soil from being carried away. Guys, have a look how they hold the soil. Actually, this is where people come usually come and take baths. You know, in the village, we rarely come and take baths. Something like in the rivers or in dams, guys. You know, life is a bit not good because must I can't say that most, but a few rarely come and take right in the river around in the river bank because water is for free, guys. Have a look. And water is for free and water is not being bought in the village. The only thing you can buy in the village is the food, guys. Actually, on the other hand, water is just flowing, 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 guys. Have a great view. The other side, guys. See, let me take you to. After our kilns was vandalized, actually there are some that remains like this one. Never seen. These are the spinach, guys. They were left. They were not vandalized, but those ones were vandalized. These are the sunflowers. They have not yet bear the flowers. Sunflower have not yet bear the flowers. On the other hand, onion, Mr. Onion is there. And like the cassava, guys. They're just growing tall and tall, guys, here in the village. Around the river. I don't know. It's because they're around the river. Actually, guys, it has been messy, messy, messy in the village. And that's the distraction that has been going on, guys. When trying to plant like crop, best thing you should do is fencing, guys. For instance, me, I've fenced one side, the other side I've left it. That's the main reason why my crops have been distracted, guys. Actually, guys, so painful, so painful actually in the village. Right now it's actually the season is not being understood, guys, because sometimes rain, sometimes doesn't rain, guys. When it rains, well and good, the weather be germinating, and when it doesn't rain, guys, it won't be germinating, guys. Actually, guys, you should never try that mess. What I'll urge you is continue watching my vlog, support my vlog, guys. In case you are new, guys, consider subscribing, share, and like, guys. So tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. It's M54, guys. In case you're new, subscribe, guys. Road to 500 subscribers, guys. I wanna be appreciating, I wanna be thanking, guys. Let's go, guys.